On behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KRT Arts, BH Commerce, AM Science, I welcome to first year student to the Department of Geology. Myself, Mrs. Shweta Patil, Head of the Department. Would you explore the hidden secret, the planet Earth? Then the best course for you, that is Geology. It is study of the Earth in a structure, composition and organization. Geology exposes student when the information about the rocks and minerals, water resources, climate change, history of the earth, fossil weather, phenomena, natural disaster management, oil gas exploration, environmental issues. It also exposes the student knowledge about what lies outside the earth like celestial body or the planet, meteorites and the satellites. After pursuing a course of geology, there are many opportunities for geologists in both government and private sector organizations such as Geological Survey of India, GSI through the UPSC exam, the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, Oil Natural Gas Corporation Limited ONGC and the mines employs geologists. So dear students, come let's solve the unlocked mysteries of our earth. Thank you.
Welcome to the Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj KTHM College, Nasik, Department of Geology. Our department was established in the year 2013. Our founder members were Dynamic Principal Dr. V.B. Gaikwad Sir. Our institute serves the only college in Nasik district to have degree Bachelors of Science in Geology affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. The department strives for excellency, knowledge and perseverance. Our faculty head, Ms. Shweta Patil ma'am, press on the learning skills and personality development platform for the students. We also try to make our departmental environment a more student-oriented, friendly, inspiring, motivating and encouraging for the students. Our vision is to be the fountain of new ideas and innovation in science and technology and continue to be a source of quality knowledge. Our mission is to develop student potential in understanding earth science with respect to environment science, geotechnical engineering and mining oriented knowledge. We offer the 3-year bachelor's degree in the subject of geology. We have a well-equipped laboratory for the teachers as well as for the students. We have different instruments for practical knowledge and development for our students. Every year, our students give fascinating response for field work and for encouraging them, we have Best Field Award. Our student has been the part of district as well as university level competitions. We have many senior visiting faculty members which give precious and valuable knowledge to our students. Every year, groundwater survey development and agencies, geologists visit our department and gives the pathway to our students in the subject of geology. We have e-learning, interactive teaching methodology, group discussion, field visit, mineral industrial visit, modern laboratory equipment of student development. Because of faculties and student efforts, our student has been university rank holders. Our many students have qualified the CHAM entrance taken by different IITs like Roorkee IIT and Bhubaneswar IIT. Such awards inspire us to work better and with a greater scale for meeting our vision and mission and for preparing our students for future challenges. We are making efforts for starting master's degree in our department. Around 80% of our students goes for the higher education like masters in science and masters in technology in different urban cities. we are starting a new beginning of science and technology with the help of the subject geology. This is Geology Department from KTHM College, Nasik.